Oh, that was a really long day at work. I'm really thirsty though. Too bad my fridge is too far away and I don't feel like getting up. But good thing I have my smart table next to me, which hydrates me throughout the day. With just one push of a button, I get a drink. And I can stay here and stay hydrated without having to get up. Our project is called the Smart Table. This was designed at LA Tech during spring quarter 2021. The section we designed this for is Honors 122 Section H04. Here is our design. All right, now I will walk you through the cost-efficient design of our Smart Table. First, we have a pressure sensor. This is used to stop the rotation of our disc once one drink is dispensed. This allows you to only get one drink at a time. Next, our design uses a helix structure to allow the drinks to be pushed out and dispensed through this opening. Right, as you can see here, there is a disc that spins. This is spin when this button on this right-hand side is pressed. Pressing the top switch will spin it to dispense the drinks, while pressing the bottom switch will allow you to load drinks into the helix. Now, under this disc, you will see 4 servos. These are the motors that we use to spin the disc. They are reversible, which allows us to load and dispense drinks. Here, we see the Arduino, which is the brain of our machine. This allows us to run different codes throughout our machine and therefore control our project. The engineering disciplines we use for our project include, first, mechanical engineering. For mechanical engineering, we use this to determine how we were going to spin the water bottles, therefore coming up with the disc structure that allows us to dispense them. Next, we used civil engineering as well as mathematics to determine how the helix shape was going to push the waters out. Using the equation R equals B theta, we determined the distance between the walls of the helix that allowed the waters to dispense most efficiently. Next, we use material science to determine a lightweight material, going with foam, that will allow us to demonstrate our prototype effectively. Thirdly, we use electrical engineering to wire our Arduino to our servos and our pressure sensor, which allowed us to spin our disc and make our whole prototype work. And lastly, we use computer science or cyber engineering to code our Arduino and run our servos in both directions, as well as allowing the pressure sensor to stop our servos when it senses a certain amount of pressure. That's it. And lastly, just as a demonstration, I will now show you how to load our Smart Table. So, using a water bottle and pressing this switch, you can reverse our direction of the servos, therefore effectively loading your drink into the thing. You can keep doing this with as many drinks as you would like, fitting up to 16 drinks.
Where are the waters coming from?
The waters? Well, that's a good question, isn't it? So, in conclusion, our Smart Table is an effective way to increase your comfort and convenience in your home.